Meaning of high living.
High living.
High living.
High living.
High living. The term high living often refers to a luxurious and indulgent lifestyle, typically characterized by excess spending on material possessions, fine dining, travel, and other high-end experiences. Individuals who engage in high living often prioritize pleasure and personal satisfaction over financial prudence or responsibility. While such a lifestyle may be appealing to many, it can also lead to financial instability, debt, and a lack of meaningful purpose or fulfillment. Ultimately, the pursuit of high living may offer temporary pleasure or status, but it may not provide lasting happiness or satisfaction.